Krishna Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. We continue reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 13. We are hearing how Krishna has expanded himself into his friends and the cows, and how he's having such loving pastimes with the Brajvasis, with the mothers, the cows. Reading on. Itam atma atmana atmanam
इत्थम् आत्मात्मनात्मानम्
Vatsapala Saha
वत्सपालमिषेण सह
Palayan Vatsapo Varsham
पालयन् वत्सपो वर्षम्
Chikride Vanagoshthayoho.
चिक्रीते वनगोष्ठयो.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. In this way, Lord Sri Krishna, having himself become the cowherd boys and groups of calves, maintained himself by himself. Thus he continued his pastimes both in Vrindavan and in the forest for 1 year. Everything was Krishna. The calves, the cowherd boys, and the maintainer himself were all Krishna. In other words, Krishna expanded himself in varieties of calves and cowherd boys and continued his pastimes uninterrupted for 1 year. So this is all transcendental. No, there's no Maya. We are acting under Maya. We are acting under the modes of nature. Here, Krishna is independent to act as he pleases. He has expanded as the cowherd boys, as the calves, and he is doing all these pastimes. It's himself only. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's expansion is situated in everyone's heart as the Supersoul. Similarly, instead of expanding himself as the Supersoul, he expanded himself as a portion of calves and cowherd boys for 1 continuous year. So Paramatma is in all our hearts. Paramatma is expansion of Krishna. So here, Krishna has expanded as cowherd boys and calves, not Paramatma. Is that okay?
Yes.
Ekada Charayan
Hare
Vatsa.
Krishna, Shilpaji. So one question just that it was not the Paramatma, it was the Krishna himself,
That's right.
not the Paramatma extended, right? Like how we might think that because Paramatma is in everybody and then there was expansion of Paramatma. No, but it is Krishna himself.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. Ekada Charayan Vatsan.
एकदा चारयन् वत्सान्
Saramo Vanam Avishat.
स रामो वनम् आविशत्
Pancha Shasu Triyamasu.
पञ्चसासु सासु पञ्चशासु त्रियामासु
Hayan Apuranishiv Ajaha.
आयन् आपूरनिष्व अजः.
One day, 5 or 6 nights before the completion of the year, Krishna, tending the calves, entered the forest along with Balaram. So almost 1 year. Hmm. Up to this time, even Balaram was captivated by the bewilderment that covered Brahma. Even Balaram did not know that all the calves and cowherd boys were expansions of Krishna, or that he himself was also an expansion of Krishna. This was disclosed to Balaram just 5 or 6 days before the completion of the year. So, Lord Balaram, he is Krishna's first expansion, right? Krishna first expands as Balaram. So Lord Balaram is also not able to understand what has happened because Yoga Maya has covered him. Tato viduracharato
ततो विदुराश्चरतो
gavo vatsan upavrajam
गावो वत्सान् उपव्रजम्
govardhan adri shirasi
गोवर्धन आद्रिशिरसि
tarantyo dadrashustrinam.
चरन्त्यो दद्रशुस्तृणम्.
Thereafter, while pasturing atop Govardhan Hill, the cows looked down to find some green grass and saw their calves pasturing near Vrindavan, not very far away. So it's almost 1 year. Only 5 or 6 days are left to finish 1 year. Means 5 or 6 years before Balaram, 5 or 6 days before Balaram Jayanti, before his birthday. So the cows are on top of Govardhan Hill and the calves are down in Vrindavan. The hill is up, Vrindavan is down, like that. So the cows were looking, they looked down and they saw their calves down nearby, not very far away, it said. दृष्ट्वा तत्तत्स्नेहवशो स्मृतात्मा
दृष्ट्वा तत्तत्स्नेहवशो स्मृत आत्मा
स गोव्रजोत्यात्मपतुर्गमार्गः
स गोव्रजोत्यात्मपदुर्गमार्गः
द्विपात् ककुद्ग्रीव उदास्य पुच्छो
द्विपार्ककुद्ग्रीव उदास्य पूछो
गाद्धुं कृतेराश्रुपया जवेन
अगाधुं कृते आश्रुपया जवेन.
When the cows saw their own calves from the top of Govardhan Hill, they forgot themselves and their caretakers because of increased affection. And although the path was very rough, they ran toward their calves with great anxiety, each running as if with one pair of legs. Their milk bags full and flowing with milk, their heads and tails raised, and their humps moving with their necks, they ran forcefully until they reached their calves to feed them. Generally, the calves and the cows are pastured separately. The elderly men take care of the cows, and the small children see to the calves. This time, however, the cows immediately forgot their position as soon as they saw the calves below Govardhan Hill, and they ran with great force, their tails erect, and in front and hind legs and their front and hind legs joined until they reached their calves. So they were so anxiety to see the calves. They're just rushing forward with great force. Cows usually gentle creatures that walk slowly. Here we can see that how they are running because they've seen their calves now. Sametya gavo dovatsan
समेत्य गावो दो वत्सान्
vatsavatyopi apayayan
वत्सवत्योऽपि अपाययन्
gilantya iva changani
गिलन्त्य इव चाङ्गानि
leyantyas swaudasampaya.
लिहन्त्य स्वौ दशसम्पयः.
The cows had given birth to new calves, but while coming down from Govardhan Hill, the cows, because of increased affection for the older calves, allowed the older calves to drink milk from their milk bags and then began licking the calves' bodies in anxiety, as if wanting to swallow them. So some of the cows had given birth to new babies. Now 1 year has passed. But they have so much more affection for the calves which are Krishna's affection, those older calves. Yeah, so not much caring for the new calves. The older calves, they're making them drink their milk and they're licking their bodies in anxiety as if wanting to swallow them. Mm. Gopastad rodanayasa
Gopastat rodanayasa
mogya lachoru manyuna
mogya lachyoru manyuna
durgadva krichrato bhetya
durgatva kricharato abhitya
govatse dadrashu sutan.
govatse dadrishu sutan.
The cowherd men, having been unable to check the cows from going to their calves, felt simultaneously ashamed and angry. They crossed the rough road with great difficulty, but when they came down and saw their own sons, they were overwhelmed by great affection. Everyone was increasing in affection for Krishna. When the cowherd men coming down from the hill saw their own sons, who were no one else than Krishna, their affection increased. So at first the Gopas, the cowherd men, they are upset, you know, that oh they're not able to stop their cows, you know. Now the cows are gonna give all the milk to the calves. What's gonna happen? Like the program is kind of disturbed, right? So they're upset, ashamed, and angry. And the cows, they ran with great force, huh? And here the men, they are having difficulty to walk down the hill. But when they've come down, they are seeing their children who are expansions of Krishna, and they're forgetting their anger and they and the love, they're overwhelmed by great affection. You know, so the anger is forgotten, everything's forgotten. Now they're just seeing their children, is Krishna himself, and they're feeling so much love.
So even their love increased, right?
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. That's what. So, yeah, so we can see that the love is increasing more and more. You know, it's not static. Okay, limit. Ho gaya abhi love. Okay, finish. No, but it's increasing. Tad ikshanot prema rasa plutashaya
Tat ekshanot prema rasa plutashaya
jata nuraga gatamanyavor bhakan.
jatanugraga gatamanyavo prakan
Uduyadorbi parirabhyamurdhani
otu yadorpi parirabhya murtani
graneravapu paramam mudamte.
gran granir avapu paramam mudam te.
At that time, all the thoughts of the cowherd men merged in the mellow of paternal love, which was aroused by the sight of their sons. Experiencing a great attraction, their anger completely disappearing, they lifted their sons, embraced them in their arms, and enjoyed the highest pleasure by smelling their sons' heads. After Brahma stole the original cowherd boys and calves, Krishna expanded himself to become the boys and calves again. Therefore, because the boys were actually Krishna's expansions, the cowherd men were especially attracted to them. At first, the cowherd men who were on top of the hill were angry, but because of Krishna, the boys were extremely attractive, and therefore the cowherd men immediately came down from the hill with special affection. So, so it's so much love they have for Krishna. Tata Prabha Yaso Gopas.
ततः प्रवस यशो गोपास
Tok ashlesha sunivritah.
टोक आश्लेष सुनिवृताः
Krichrachaner apagatas.
कृच्छ्राच्छनिरपगतास्
Tad anusmriti udashravaha.
तत् अनुस्मृति उदश्रवः.
Thereafter, the elderly cowherd men, having obtained great feeling from embracing their sons, gradually and with great difficulty and reluctance, ceased embracing them and returned to the forest. But as the men remembered their sons, tears began to roll down from their eyes. In the beginning, the cowherd men were angry that the cows were being attracted by the calves. But when the men came down from the hill, they themselves were attracted by their sons, and therefore the men embraced them. To embrace one's son and smell his head are symptoms of affection. So they're embracing their children, and while they're going back, they're remembering their sons and they're crying with love for their children. With great reluctance and difficulty, gradually they stopped embracing them. They wanted to embrace them continuously, but they also had to get back to pasturing the cows. They didn't want to be separated from their sons, but with great difficulty they separated themselves and they're crying in separation. Rajasya Rama Premarder
व्रजस्य रामः प्रेमार्धे
Vikshya
sorry
Vikshyot Kanthayam Anukshanam
वीक्ष्य कन्थयम् अनुक्षणम्
Muktastaneshva Apatyeshva Api
मुक्तस्तनेष्व अपत्येष्वपि
Ahetuvit Achintayat.
अहेतुवित् अचिन्तयत्.
Because of an increase of affection, the cows had constant attachment, even to those calves that were grown up and had stopped sucking milk from their mothers. When Baladev saw this attachment, he was unable to understand the reason for it, and thus he began to consider as follows. The cows had younger calves who had started sucking milk from their mothers, and some of the cows had newly given birth. But now, because of love, the cows enthusiastically showed their affection for the older calves, which had left off milking. These calves were grown up, but still the mothers wanted to feed them. Therefore, Balaram was a little surprised, and he wanted to inquire from Krishna about the reason for their behavior. The mothers were actually more anxious to feed the older calves, although the new calves were present, because the older calves were expansions of Krishna. These surprising events were taking place by the manipulation of Yoga Maya. There are two Mayas working under the direction of Krishna: Mahamaya, the energy of the material world, and Yoga Maya, the energy of the spiritual world. These uncommon events were taking place because of the influence of Yoga Maya. So, under Yoga Maya, everything is happening, not Mahamaya. Mahamaya is whatever is happening in the material world. Yoga Maya, spiritual energy. So, Lord Balaram, he's considering, अभी ये तो गाय के बछड़े इतने बड़े हो गए हैं. Why the cows still want to feed the bigger calves? Why they are not feeding the smaller calves, the newborn baby calves? How come? What's happening? The bigger calves, उनको तो milk भी नहीं चाहिए. So why the mothers want to still feed those calves? So from the very day on which Brahma stole the calves and boys, Yogamaya acted in such a way that the residents of Vrindavan, including even Lord Balaram, could not understand how Yogamaya was working and causing such uncommon things to happen. But as Yogamaya gradually acted, Balaram in a particular was able to understand what was happening, and therefore he inquired from Krishna. So it's taken a little while for Balaram to understand what's happening, but now he's considering, hey, this is not common. So he's gonna ask Krishna now what's happening. Did y'all want to add anything? Question?
Yeah, bewildering, really.
Bewildering.
So like even Balaramji is bewildered, right? At the point it was written.
Yeah. And he's like, what's happening,
Yeah. Oh my
Then
God.
but we can see in this way, we can see that actually how much love everyone has for Krishna.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Love is for Krishna.
But they
Love
don't
is
know
for,
that love is for Krishna. That's why like this thing is, right?
yeah. Yeah, that's why they're loving their children and the cows are
Children,
loving the calves
like
more.
Krishna. It's all expansion of Krishna.
Yeah.
And I remember Balramji even bewildering for the cows, and then how come he will also say that why these cowherd men always loved Krishna so much? So how come they're loving their children now? What's
No.
wrong?
Mm,
Right?
mm,
Because ये भी तो उनको एक दिमाग में आएगा कि मतलब what has happened suddenly? Everybody in Vrindavan just loved Krishna. So
yeah.
how come suddenly, you know,
They
these
loving their children
elderly
so
cowherds
much.
are loving their children so much now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's right.
Right? Because this is also bewildering, like everybody loved Krishna. We know that. But then why now suddenly they're loving their own children? So I'm just imagining what must be going in his head too. Like, जबकि वो तो आदि guru hai, like he knows everything, right? But still, see,
He's
Krishna
also
Yeah.
under the
Leela.
influence now of Yoga Maya. That's
Yeah,
why.
like Krishna Leela. This like Krishna कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Really. But
Yeah.
how beautiful it must be, na?
Yeah, I'm just imagining कि वो ऐसे
Vrindavan,
देख रहे हैं सारे
सब
गोपा.
जगह प्यार प्यार like इतना affection है. Gosh.
Right? That's what now feels so
So
nice
nice,
that
yeah.
they, there's
And
so
when
much love.
actually इसमें it's so much love, and I'm just imagining कि जब वो सब कृष्णा को करते होंगे, because then even the cowherd boys, they loved Krishna, the gopis loved Krishna, the elderly mothers loved Krishna, so that was normal for them कि ये तो सब normal है कि भाई सब कृष्णा को ही प्यार कर रहे हैं तो ये तो normal है for बलराम जी also.
Yeah.
That was normal कि जब पूरा
Yeah.
वृंदावन वासी was loving Krishna more than their own, तब ये
Yeah.
सब तो नॉर्मल था उनके लिए. बट सडनली ऐसा, मतलब उस टाइम भी कितना प्यार था और सडनली उनको ऐसा हुआ होगा कि ओ माय गॉड ये क्या हुआ.
Yeah.
Mm.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, actually, we already read na ki Krishna transformed into calves and friends and everything. Actually, these all are ans of Krishna.
That's
So
right.
that's why they knew it. That's why they are uh, giving their love to elder one also, who have already left the milk, but they wanted to feed them because they knew these all are Krishna.
No, they don't know,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, they know. That's why. Maybe we'll read it later. Because they all realize this. Because we read na Yog Maya,
But till now, they're not
spiritual.
yet. Till now, they don't
It-
know.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's right.
Hmm.
They don't know, but yet because of natural affection for
Yeah, because
Krishna,
Affection.
Yog Maya
natural love.
already, yeah.
Yes,
Because
yes,
of Yog Maya.
that's right.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So even though they don't know, but because the love is there, Krishna
Mm.
Yeah.
is there, love is there. So,
Yeah,
you know, you
yeah.
then it's very natural for them to do this.
Yeah,
To
and
do,
this
but
love
actually
is
they are not
spiritual,
aware, no,
right?
that these are all Krishna expansions. They
Ji?
don't
Yeah,
know.
No, no, they don't know. They
They
don't know.
don't
but
know.
because of Yog Maya, they realize the spiritual love.
Yeah, yeah.
Y-
Yeah.
Yes, that is, it's just natural, but
Ah,
consciously they don't know that this is
yeah,
They don't
Krishna.
consciously
know.
they don't know.
Consciously,
Yeah,
they
That's
don't know.
right.
yeah. But
Yeah.
because of Yog Maya, they,
Yes.
मतलब personally they don't feel it, but इनको कराया जा रहा है ये चीज. These all are happening, right? Because
ये
of Yog
क्योंकि
Maya.
नेचुरल लव है कृष्णा के प्रति,
हाँ,
तो कृष्णा कोई भी रूप में आ गए तो वो नेचुरल लव तो फ्लो ही होगा ना.
होगा, हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah,
बट यहाँ पे
that's
वो
the point.
महामाया काम नहीं कर रही है, यहाँ पे योग माया काम कर
Yoga
रही है.
mind.
हाँ,
Today,
महामाया कभी कृष्णा के लीला में कभी महामाया होती ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
सब कृष्णा की जो लीला है वो सब योग माया में है, महामाया में नहीं.
मतलब जैसे आई थिंक शिल्पा जी ऐसा बोलना चाह रहे हैं इसमें कि जो हमारा सनातन धर्म है, जो जीव का, जो एक सोल का, हर चीज का सनातन धर्म होता है. तो हमारा सनातन धर्म है कृष्णा से प्यार करना. तो जब हम कृष्णा, जब वो योग माया ने उन पे इम्पैक्ट करा, तो वो उनका जो सनातन धर्म था कृष्णा से प्यार करना, वो जागृत हुआ और वो वही कर रहे थे. लेकिन उन्हें नहीं पता था कि उनके बच्चे कृष्णा के रूप में हैं. उन्हें खुद को ऐसा नहीं पता था, ऐसे इंटेंशनली देखें तो, कि दे डिडंट नो. बट क्योंकि उनका जो नेचुरल लव है वो कृष्णा के लिए होगा, इसलिए वो हो रहा था बस. कि हमारा जैसे जैसे शुगर है, उसका क्या है सनातन धर्म, कि वो स्वीट ही होगी हमेशा, वो कभी कड़वी हो ही नहीं सकती ना. शुगर, सॉल्ट
Yeah.
हमेशा सॉल्ट ही होएगा. तो जो जीव है उसका सनातन धर्म यही है, सर्व कृष्णा एंड लव कृष्णा. हमें
Yeah.
सर्व और लव ही करना है कृष्णा को. तो जब हम अपने ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में थे, और वो क्योंकि योग माया वहां काम कर रही है, तो वो अपने ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में है ना. ट्रांसेंडेंटल हो गया ना सब कुछ, मतलब
हाँ,
स्पिरिचुअल हो गया वहां पे. तो फिर जब
हाँ,
वो अपने रियल धर्म में, राइट शिल्पा जी, दैट्स व्हाट यू आर
हाँ,
ट्राइंग टू से, कि जब वो
yeah,
अपने रियल धर्म में होंगे जीव, तो फिर वो कृष्णा को सर्व और प्यार ही करेंगे ना, जो वो लोग कर रहे थे सब.
yeah,
Yeah. And if you don't serve, you don't love Krishna, then Mahamaya will take
yeah,
charge,
Yeah.
right?
yeah,
If you, yeah, turn your back from Krishna, yeah,
Yeah.
you don't
Like
love
how
and
that,
serve
na?
him.
The
Yeah,
shadow.
remember him. Yeah,
The
yeah,
sun.
that's
absolutely.
right, that's right. And his Maya.
Hmm.
लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि अगर, मतलब इतनी सुंदर लीलाएं हैं ये, अभी हमने जैसा ये पढ़ा, और जैसे आई एम जस्ट इमेजिनिंग कि कैसे वो ब्रजवासी कृष्ण को याद, तो हमारे लिए कितना, एटलीस्ट ये पढ़ के हमारे लिए इतना सा होता है कि पूरे दिन में आपने जो पढ़ा वो काम करते हुए एटलीस्ट वो आपके दिमाग में चले, तो इट इज सो मच लव ऑलरेडी विथ यू.
But
कि
see,
ओ
we
Yeah,
माय
can feel
गॉड,
the
राइट.
affection now,
yeah,
na?
of course. That's
We
why
can
कि
feel the
Bhagavatam is there
affection.
for us to think
Yeah.
about.
या कि
And
अगर
that
हम मतलब
feeling
सिर्फ
is
इतना सा
only
भी,
that थोड़ा affection भी हो रहा है,
हाँ
नहीं?
हाँ, कि मतलब हम सिर्फ अगर यही याद कर ले, जितना हमने आज पढ़ा 10 श्लोक, जो भी हमने आज पढ़े जितने से भी श्लोक, अगर वो ही हमारे दिमाग में चले, उसका ट्रांसलेशन की ओ माय गॉड, वो सारी गायें ऐसे भाग कर आई अपने बछड़ों के लिए. सो लाइक इट्स सो मच लव.
So much love.
मतलब हम भी शायद, हमारी भी थोड़ी सी प्योरिटी होगी, मतलब हमारी भी गंदगी निकलेगी, थोड़े से अनर्थ, क्योंकि हम उन्हें
Of
याद कर रहे
course.
हैं. तो मतलब इट इज सो इजी इन दिस वे टू रिमेम्बर. लेकिन हम
Yeah,
नहीं करना चाहते हैं. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम नहीं चाहते बस. वी डोंट वांट इट. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट वी डोंट वांट टू डू इट.
yeah, but by hearing Bhagavatam,
Hmm.
so we are reviving our
Yeah, we
natural
are
love for
reviving.
Krishna. That's why we have Bhagavatam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. No, but it's really beautiful. Like,
Beautiful, really. I'm so glad today got to read this.
That's what
yeah,
I'm saying. You know,
You are
you
going.
joined and you
Yeah.
did aartis and you read. I'm like, oh,
I'm
good.
so and like Neha said, no, you do also today. It's both are artists. And I said, oh God, thank you so much to all of you. My gosh. And
Oh,
then reading also the Sanskrit. I said, oh, how beautiful. I'm so, so grateful, really. and happy that, you know.
So like it's a good beginning for your journey. See?
Yes,
Yeah.
really. Thank you.
It's a lovely beginning. No, thank you to you that you could join.
Yeah.
It's a big thing that you joined, you know, like there was so much and you joined, yeah.
That's
Hmm.
what. No, very auspicious. Yeah, very auspicious beginning to your travels now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you all. I'm gonna stop here the recording.
Yeah, sorry.
Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila
Thank you.
Prabhupada ki jai, Gaur